Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you all are doing great. So, welcome to my channel Learn English with Manpreet Kaur. Today we are up to with the topic of tenses. I have already told you about the present simple tense. So, the second type of tense is the present continuous tense. Let's go through the topic of present continuous tense. Now, let's see what does it mean, its definition, its rules, its examples and affirmative sentences, negative sentences with the interrogative sentences. These all are the outlines which we are going to cover in this video. So, stay tuned. Come on, now let's start. First, let's see what is present continuous tense. It is also known as the present progressive tense. Why present progressive tense? Because it is used to describe actions that are happening at the moment of speaking or actions that are currently in progress. Now, you might have understood that what is present continuous tense? It means that the actions which are happening now. I am teaching. You are learning. See what is happening now? I am making a video. I am teaching and you are learning. The happening actions that are happening now and the things which are currently going on. And it is also known as present progressive tense. If anybody tell you what is present progressive tense, so don't get confused because these both are same. Present continuous tense is also known as present progressive tense. See, what's the rules means how to form a sentence of present continuous tense. First is the subject. Subject, you all know what the subject is, plus am, is slash are plus verb plus ing. We'll always use ing with the continuous tense because ing only defines the action that is going right now. For example, let's see with this formation, let's now form some sentences so that you can easily understand it. For example, subject. What is subject? I is the subject. I have used am. I am. This is verb. Read is the verb. What is the verb? Action word. Read, play, write. These are the action words. That is the verb. If anybody asks you what is verb, just say, remember it in your mind. Verb is an action word. So, this is the verb. What I am doing? I am reading. I am doing some action. That is a verb. Plus ing. Plus ing. A book. Book is a object. Got it? Subject is I am reading a book. Now, let's again make one more sentence. She is the subject. You all know. Is. Now, we have used this. Is singing. Sing is the verb. And ing, we have to just add ing, just keep it in your mind. Present continuous tense always uses ing because it only tells you what the action is going on. A song. Correct? Now, these are the affirmative sentences. What are these? Affirmative sentences. Affirmative sentences are the positive sentences. We can say affirmative sentences are the positive sentences. I am reading a book. Positive sentence. Now, if you have to change it into a negative sentence, what you will do? I am negative. What you will add? Not, not reading a book. Got it? This is affirmative sentence. This is negative sentence. If I'll change this sentence again into interrogative sentence, So what it will be? If I change into interrogative, interrogative sentences are the sentences which ask the questions and it always ends with a question mark. Correct. Now if I'll change into a interrogative sentence, what will be the answer? Am I reading a book? Am I reading a book? Now it will end with the question mark. So what will be its answer? Yes, I am reading a book. So we have learned 3 more forms of these sentences. Positive sentence, that is affirmative sentence, then negative sentence, and the third one is interrogative sentence in learning of the present continuous tense. Now again, like she is singing a song. If I'll change into a negative sentence, she is not singing a song. If I'll change into an interrogative, what will be answer? Is she singing a song? Correct. So, this was the present continuous tense. Thanks for watching the video. If you like it, do subscribe my channel.